Days by days, filled with sorrow, shadows or silence kept hovering. Slowly, grief became a daily routine, along with unrestrainable ego. Yet in the end, after years of living like dust, I gotta be grateful to faith which brings me to you, whose patience is as wide as the ocean. This journey submerged me in 1,000 emotions: joy, sorrow, happiness, disappointment, everything all together, never ending. But out of those 1,000 emotions, two I always keep in mind: my mother's and your embers. Both hold patience I can't describe. My mother's embrace I received since childhood. I still receive now through unspoken prayers. Your embrace is a compliment for my life. My past filled with scars. You define each of them thoroughly, looked at them with kindness, without any intentions to mock and judge. This journey will cause lots of tears, but that's okay, since your affections will become my cure. For me, there is no coincidence in life. Everything that has, is, and will happen are predestined, just like our encounter. It taught me what it means to grow after falling. It gave meaning to the word devoted after being in pain, and taught me about patience after a fight. When I need assurance for all my anxieties, you delivered a few words as answers. You said you'll stay awake when my life is either dim or lit. When I rush in every situation, you spread your arms wide open and dimmed all the chaos around with great patience.